Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought to make chili chicken recipe. So let's see how to make it. If you are watching my video without subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. In a bowl, add an egg, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri lal mirch powder, half tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 3 tablespoon of corn flour, 3 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, salt as per taste. Mix well. And then add well cleaned and washed chicken pieces. Mix well. And let it marinate for 30 minutes. After that, you need to deep fry all the chicken pieces in hot oil. Here you can see fried chicken pieces are ready. Next we will move on to the next step. Take a kadai. To this I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I have used same oil which I fried chicken pieces. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped ginger and garlic. Saute them for a while. And then add half finely chopped onion and fry until transparent. Also add 3 green chilies. Next add half onion cubes and half capsicum cubes. Fry until onions is transparent. Next, we need to add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. While adding soya sauce, my video is not recorded. Mix well. Now I am going to add cornstarch slurry. Take 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well and the cornstarch slurry will be ready. Now our chili sauce is ready. Now we need to add fried chicken pieces. Mix well on high flame. And it is done. Finally, garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. And the yummy chicken chili or chili chicken is ready to be served. If you like this video, please give a like, share. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.